We're here. I don't know if you guys can hear me at all because it's really loud. But yeah, you can see the massive Titanic building behind me. It looks so cool. Are you excited?
Yep, very, very excited.
Oh yeah, the big like swirly. Don't know if you guys can see that. There's like big swirly patterns. Yeah, there. There. So yeah, we're gonna figure out how to get into this now. Not entirely sure where to go, but I'm sure we'll figure it out. Everybody seems to be walking this direction, so and I can see like lights and stuff behind me there. Okay. Ooh, it's cold. I'm glad I wore thermal top underneath my jumper because it's chilly. The first frost happened, was it yesterday or the day before, I think? Oh, the day before yesterday. This looks incredible. Wow. Look at how amazing this building is. Wow. It's so spectacular, isn't it?
Really cool.
Oh, it's so cold! There's a lot of crowds here. It's very busy. Stick close. I'm so afraid of getting separated. I kind of secretly want one of these glowy things. They look amazing, don't they?
What?
These glowy things, they look so cool.
Yeah.
Glowy thing. By the way, guys, I'm planning on filming this evening, editing it, and then uploading it all in one day. We'll see if that happens or not. It sounds intense. It feels intense. But I really wanted to get it up, you know, just before Halloween. Because I feel like after that it's kind of not really relevant anymore. Look at these big, like, blow up, floaty people over there. They're really cool looking. Apparently the Killers are playing. I don't think so somehow. Unless they've changed a lot. Love all the glowing things. We're waiting to get hot chocolate because, you know, apparently a massive queue is worth hot chocolate. Streamers and glittery. So good. It's decent, really decent. Peacock. Doesn't it look like the feather of a peacock?
Oh.
What do you think?
I think so, yeah.
Whoa, oh, I love them. Oh, they're so beautiful. Aren't they gorgeous?
Magic fairy dust.
How cool is this? Wow.
Very nice.
The fireworks coming up.
fun is being had. We're gonna get hot chocolate soon, hopefully.
Performance issues. Oh, if you hit once again.
I secretly really love these things. Guys, this is my new favourite song. I'm actually obsessed with it.
They're very clever.
Never seen anybody do the things you do before. When you're down, I'll make you do it all again.
I love these glowy things. We got our hot chocolates, so we're very happy bunnies.
Yes, we are.
Cheers!
Next stop, Wagamamas.
Wagamamas, yeah.
Well, probably next stop, awkward, trying to exit the car park for 20 minutes or half an hour.
Or an hour. Yeah,
I did a test.
I have always had a bit of an obsession with these glowy things. Like, when we used to go to the pantomime as kids, I used to really, like, not me and Tim, I mean my family and I, like, when me and my brother were kids, I used to always want these things. I don't know, I think all kids want the glowy, wavy things. Oh, I love this song too. Oh yeah, they've upped their playlist game.
Hang on for a second.
That's what you wanted. I suppose why not?
You have to drink these anyway, because
Yeah, this is true. Might as well. That's really nice hot chocolate, isn't it? It's very like silky. I hope you guys have enjoyed coming along with us this evening. I don't know how long this is going to be, this vlog, but it's been a lot of fun. The fireworks were great. I actually went over to film some of the rides for you, and the fireworks started, so I did kind of like race back over to Tim. Yeah. Tim and I are having way too much fun with these things. Okay, so we've been here a while. We were queuing to get into the car park first for a while. You can probably hear all the car horns. Then, hi Tim.
Hello.
Then we were queuing for absolutely ages to get our tickets for the car park. You know, like to pay for tickets. And now we're sitting with this in front of us, completely stationary line of cars. Fun times. I'm just glad that we're not in too much of a rush, although I do kind of need to get back home to get this video edited. We'll see when we get out of here. It feels like we're never gonna leave. Like, I mean, she's actually like come over, the lady has come over to say to us, can you please turn, not to us, like to the people here, can you please turn your engines off? Because I think we're killing everyone with carbon monoxide. So that's fun. Anyway, I will see you when we get to Wagamamas. Hey everyone, it would be a Wagamamas. So I have the yasai atami, but I got it with rice instead of noodles, and Tim got the yasai pad thai. Yum yum yum.
Yes, I did.
Yes, he did. Yes. I'm excited to eat this. I'm starving because there was literally nothing I could eat, except although at the place where we got the hot chocolates, they had loads of like gluten-free goodies, but I'd already eaten the candy floss and I can't really feel like sweet stuff. I kind of just wanted to eat my dinner. At that yasai itami, so tasty, and yasai pad thai for Tim. Yum. Yum yum yum. Yum. Okay guys, I have had a fabulous evening, and you have too, haven't you, Tim? Yeah, we had a great, really great time. We're going to sit down now and eat our Wagamamas. I'm going to edit this video and see if I can get it up tonight. And then I think we're probably going to watch a scary film together. What was the film we were going to watch?
We were considering kind of either Scream or kind of maybe a little later Shaun of the Dead.
Ah yes, I think Shaun of the Dead, to be honest. Yeah, I'm not feeling something too scary tonight. I don't know. It's a bit late for something too scary, I think. Right. Anyway, I'm gonna go eat my food, watch my film, and edit this video. And I shall see you guys next Sunday. Bye, guys.
Whoa.